In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record spend money in Xero. To get started, you'll want to head over to Xero and log in. Once you're logged in, navigate to your dashboard. This is your go-to place for an overview of your financial activities. From here, you'll need to click on the bank account that you used to make your payment. This action will direct you to the account's main page where you manage your transactions. Next, look for the Manage Account button, and from the drop-down menu, select Spend Money. This will open up a fresh new transaction entry screen where you can input all the payment details. Now it's time to enter the payment details. You'll need to fill out several fields to ensure your records are precise and comprehensive. Start with Who, where you select your supplier or vendor. If this is a new business contact, go ahead and enter the details. Following that, specify the date the payment was made. Accuracy is key here. You also have the option to add a reference, such as an invoice number or a payment note, to help you easily recall what the transaction was about. Entering the amount is straightforward. This is simply the total that was paid. Don't skip the description field where you provide a brief explanation of what the payment was for. It's always helpful to have this little note for future reference. Then you'll need to specify the account, which involves selecting the right expense category like office supplies, rent, or utilities. Ensure that you choose the most applicable account to maintain accurate financial tracking. If applicable, make sure to select the correct tax rate for sales tax, VAT, or GST. This ensures that your tax filings remain up to date and accurate. While it's optional, it's a great idea to attach supporting documents such as receipts or invoices. Doing so helps you maintain thorough and accessible records, a good habit for any diligent bookkeeper. With everything entered and checked, it's time to save your work. Hit the Save Transaction button or click Approve if you're ready to finalize it. Saving your transaction ensures it's recorded and available for future reference. Eventually, when your bank feed imports the actual payment, Xero will automatically suggest a match with this spend money transaction. This is a significant part of the process. They've made it incredibly convenient to reconcile these transactions. Simply review the match and confirm it to keep your records clean and accurate. And there you have it. You've successfully recorded a spend money transaction in Xero. Simple, right? With these steps practiced and repeated, you'll find that managing expenses within Xero can become a seamless part of your business routine. Thank you for watching.